la dernière minute, mais parce que les circonstances le nécessitent.
C'est un échec, l'échec c'est la mort, c'est pas un antidouleur. Évidemment, moi j'ai des enfants, j'ai 4 enfants, on ne peut pas vouloir, on n'aime pas voir souffrir ses enfants, on se sent impuissant. Mais la mort c'est un échec, ça n'est pas quelque chose qu'on peut vouloir non plus. C'est pas un antidouleur, on a beaucoup d'autres moyens pour aller contre la douleur, pour la soigner.
Pas plus d'un an à prendre des décisions, tout d'un coup, se mettre d'accord entre eux.
We're talking about children that are really at the end of their life, and it's not that they have months or years to go. Their life will end anyway. And the question they ask us is, well, don't make me go in a terrible, horrifying way. Let me go now while I'm still a human being and while I still have my dignity.
Yeah, we try to think of him as well.
Yes,
So
yes,
you don't need to look at it right away, but maybe in some time, after a few weeks, months, maybe years, not only adults die, but even babies, and they can suffer as well. Because in the end, we gave the liquid morphine, and it was the only solution left to make sure that she was in no pain. And that was the end of all the contact we had with her. Because the day before, she was still looking at me. And when we started giving the morphine, that was all gone. So what's the difference of, if you want your baby to live, it should be in a nice way, not the way she was. And it hurt so much to see our child suffer.
Going to prepare everything.
I've seen quite a lot of persons dying in how do you say it in proper English? In agony, no? Huh? If you see somebody who died with pain, you see his face completely with kind of expression where you see the pain on the face. I've never saw that when I gave somebody the euthanasia he or she asked for.
Ça doit être dit clairement comme citoyen.
Une porte s'ouvre que plus personne ne pourra refermer et ça risque d'avoir des conséquences très, très graves à long terme dans la société sur le sens qu'on se fait de la vie, de la mort et de la liberté humaine.